The numbers are shocking. 42% of companies abandon most all initiatives in 2025, nearly triple last year's rate. I spent 90 days analyzing 47 real small businesses using all, and what I discovered will change how you think about AI adoption. In the next 2 minutes, I'll reveal the 5 patterns that separate the winners from the 73% wasting money on tools that fail. My approach, completely data-driven. 90 days tracking businesses with 5 to 100 employees across 7 diverse sectors. LinkedIn deep dives, detailed owner surveys, and raw performance data. This isn't theory from consultants, this is what's actually working on Main Street in 2025. Finding 1. Most failures happen before implementation even begins. 74% of businesses would adopt AI with clearer raw evidence, yet 73% jump into expensive commitments without piloting. The deadliest mistake: buying enterprise tools when you need to start small. Winners test free tiers for 30 days before spending a single dollar. Finding 2. 91% of SMBs using AI report revenue boosts, but only when automating the right tasks. Winners automate repetitive operations like inventory management, customer support routing, and data entry. Losers try replacing creative work and strategic thinking. One e-commerce client automated order processing and saw 40% ROI in 60 days. Another wasted $1,200 trying to automate social media content and got worse engagement. Finding 3. The tool doesn't matter if your implementation is broken. Same AI platform, completely different outcomes. 95% of generative AI pilots at companies fail not because of bad technology, but poor execution. Businesses with structured training programs and step-by-step rollouts see 3x better results than those just buying tools and hoping for magic. Finding 4. Stop expecting overnight miracles. Real ROI takes 30 to 90 days, not 2 weeks. Only 1/3 report companies have begun to scale all programs because most quit too early. The data shows 60% of persistent businesses hit profitability between months 2 and 3. The secret: measuring small wins while teams adapt. Finding 5. The winning pattern is crystal clear. Start with one tool, master it completely, then add more. Businesses juggling 5 AI tools simultaneously fail 80% of the time. We tracked a restaurant that perfected AI customer support first, saw 20% better retention, then scaled to inventory management. That's the playbook. Focus, master, multiply. Ready for action. Start with these 3 proven winners. ChatGPT for support scripts. Chatbots can improve customer service by 30%. Zapier for email automation. Set it once, run forever. And Canva, all for social media content. All 3 offer free trials. Test them for 14 days, measure time saved, then calculate ROI with my free spreadsheet. Formula is simple. Time saved times your hourly rate minus tool cost. One client saved $480 monthly with a $20 tool. The choice is yours. Join the 42% who waste money or follow the proven playbook. Drop your industry in the comments right now. The first 20 get a personalized all implementation strategy from me. Absolutely free. Construction, retail, healthcare. I'll analyze your sector specifically. And if you want more data-driven all insights that cut through the hype, subscribe to Metacore Innovations. Let's turn all from expensive experiment into profit engine.